Welcome back. It's art time class. Today, we're going to be making a paper airplane. Let's get started. To begin, you're going to need a plain sheet of paper. Here I have an 8.5 by 11 sheet of copy paper. Place your paper in front of you to be landscape style, or wide in front of you. Put one hand on top and one hand underneath to sandwich the papers. You're going to line up your corners, push down right there, and pull out your hand. While pushing down, you're going to push down on this fold. When you're done, you're going to want to take your thumb or something and push down on that fold again. You want your folds to be really crisp when you're folding for paper airplane. Next, you're going to open up your paper and take this point and this edge and bring it to the fold line. Put your finger at the top of the fold to help keep it nice and neat. I could move my finger over here if I wanted that fold there, or move my finger here if I wanted that fold there, but I want it right on the fold line. So put your finger on the fold line and bring that corner down. Okay. Once you have that where you want it, be sure to press down on that fold really nicely. Let's do the same with the other side. Ooh, that is pretty close, but it's not perfect. If you look really close, you'll see that this is actually like on the edge over here. It's not even on the fold. That's going to make it really hard. But this is a really nice point, but it's not where I needed. I needed it a little farther over this way. So let's just wiggle that over and get it where we want it. All right, now that I have that where I want it, I'm going to refold these. And yeah, this isn't as nice of a point, but that's totally okay because I really want these to be lined up so they're not touching all the way, but they're at that fold right there. Okay, now that I have this, we are going to fold this down here. Okay. I know, right? The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this area over here. Whoop, we don't want that to go up. We want that to fold down under. So here I'll push my thumb in, kind of rolling that a little bit. I'm going to bring this down here. Ooh, yes. Let's do it to the other side. Okay. Now it's at this point you get to decide if you want to fold it this way or if you want to fold it this way. It's really up to you. And then you want to decide where you want your wings to be. If you want your wings starting here, put your finger there and fold this down. If you want it to start over here, put your finger there and fold this down. Let's go ahead and put it there. I like that. Now I'm going to flip it over. And so my point was right here. So I'm going to put my finger there and try to match up that line. I really want them to be symmetrical if I can, so that it's the same on one side and the other. So if I was to draw a line through here, this is the same as that side. Yes, I like this. At this point, if you want to fold up on the wings, you can. If you wanted to fold down on the wings, you can. Really experiment and try different things. Let's see, if I folded that there, let's line it up. There we go. Y'all see how I use my finger to line it up and flip it over? And that way I know exactly where I'm working. Ooh, I like that. I need to put my name on this. If you make a paper airplane, you are responsible for it, so be sure to put your name on it. Okay. And speaking of that, you need to be not just responsible, but safe and respectful with your paper airplane. So to be safe, you're not going to throw this inside or in a crowded space. To be responsible, you're going to pick up your airplane after throwing it. Or if you make a paper airplane, you are responsible for it. So whether you throw it or make it, it's still your responsibility, that paper airplane. And then to be respectful, you're never going to throw a paper airplane towards another person or towards something that's breakable or fragile, just to be safe. And it's respectful not to do that. And it's also safe and being responsible. So it all goes together. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. I've really enjoyed making this paper airplane with you. Till next time, keep being creative.